Hello and welcome to Color with Kendi. In today's Procreate Basics, we're going to talk about how you can move an object in Procreate. I would love for you to follow along. So I'm going to create a new canvas. I'm going to tap on screen size, and this is the canvas I'm going to work with. Now I'm going to draw a few random circles on the screen and we're going to move them. So I'm going to go to the brush library and select the monoline brush. It's in the calligraphy set in Procreate. It's a default brush, it's a free brush, the monoline brush. And then I have selected a blue, pick any color that you want, and let's draw a few random circles. This doesn't need to be pretty, it's just for the demo. Okay, so I have all of these circles on the same layer. If I want to move all of them, what I can do is tap on this. This is your cursor, this is your move tool. And what will happen is you will see a little rectangle pop up, a dotted rectangle around all of your circles. And then you can use your pencil and move everything together wherever you want. So you're basically moving all of the circles together. But now what if you want to move a specific circle and not all of them? Then you want to do something a little different. You have to select the circle that you want to move and then move it. This is the selection tool. Let's tap on it and you have a bunch of different options here. I generally use the freehand option, so I'm going to show you that first and then I'll show you the others. So with the freehand option, make sure that all of these are turned off. If they're on, you will see them as blue. Just make sure they're all turned off except the add. Now with your pencil, pick a circle that you want to move and lasso around it and make sure that you end your lasso at the gray circle, that little gray circle there. And now tap on that move tool and you can move this circle wherever you want. So I'm going to move it, let's say here, and then tap on this to get out of that. So that's how you can move it with the freehand tool. I generally use that. There are a few other options for moving things. So let's go back to the selection, the S, and let's go to automatic and make sure all of these are turned off. If they're on, just tap on them and they'll be turned off, and make sure add is on. And what you want to do now is just tap on the object and it will select your object for you and then you can move it. Ooh, but do you see what happened here? It didn't properly select the object. So this is kind of a problem with the automatic selection, but there is a way to fix this. So I'm going to tap with 2 fingers to undo and undo. And now I'm going to show you how you can do this again. So tap on S again, automatic, and then tap on your item and then move your pencil on the screen. Don't lift it off the screen, move it a little bit to the right. And what this will do you see the selection threshold is going up? Hopefully it will better select the item. And now I can tap on the move tool and move the item. It did a better job, but as you see, there's a little bit of a halo. So I generally don't like to use the automatic selection. It's not the best. You have to make sure that you are selecting it at the proper threshold. So it's a little bit cumbersome. You can definitely select it at the proper threshold. I will do this again for you. Select automatic, tap on it. Let's increase the selection threshold a little bit more. Now it's 99.7. Tap, and then I can move. I try to avoid all this and just use freehand to select. Freehand is what I like. So now we're again on the selection tool and I'm going to show you rectangle. So with rectangle turned on, you just create a little rectangle or square around your item and then tap on the move tool and you can move this around. Now I'm going to show you the final one. So I'm going to tap on the move tool to get out of this and then I'm going to tap on S again and ellipse. So this is the other way you can select an item before you move it. So just use your pencil to create an ellipse around your item. And then again, tap on the move tool and move it around. I hope this video helped you understand the different ways to move an object in Procreate. I definitely recommend using the freehand tool because it gives you a lot more flexibility. You can move around very complex shapes with the freehand tool. So I will always use the freehand tool. But Now you know you can use these other tools as well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.